please stay seated with your seatbelt fastened until the seatbelt sign is turned off, as turbulence may occur at any time. We encourage you to keep your seatbelt fastened whenever you are seated. Federal regulations prohibit smoking, including use of electronic cigarettes and any kind of vaporizers, as well as consuming cannabis or personal alcohol. WestJet Wi-Fi is now available. Please remember to no voice calls or video calls, and please use headsets or earphones. In-flight service will begin shortly. Once safe to do so, please refer to the menu in your seat back, which lists the items available for purchase on today's flight. We accept all major credit cards. And for your convenience, there are 2 big luxurious washrooms located in the back and 1 little itty-bitty one located in the front. If you decide to use the washroom in the front, we kindly ask you to start the line at row 4. For security purposes, we cannot have people congregating in the front galley. So again, if the front lavatory is occupied, please start the line at row 4. And we'd like to extend a special welcome to WestJet Awards members and guest airline partners. Refer to your seat bag literature or ask a cabin crew member for more details on WestJet Awards or apply for the WestJet Occupancy Mastercard. Thank you and enjoy your flight.